Here we have a 2008 Ducati 848 Superbike. Customer has a blank key. We're going to go ahead and figure out what this key is from scratch. He has the Ducati card, so he'll be able to take this to Ducati and get them to program it. So on this one, we don't have to program it, but we do have to make a key from scratch to this bike. He had another locksmith come out, and strangely, he was able to get a key to work the gas cap, but not be able to get a key to work the rest of the bike. So they didn't leave that key here, so I'm going to have to go ahead and do everything from scratch on this. I'll come back shortly. Alright, we're back at the Ducati. We ended up cutting a metal key because these are cheaper for us to waste. As you see, it works that. It works that. Now, here's the customer key that they supplied. They got it from the dealer. Turns that nice. This is what everybody wants to see right here. Turns the ignition. There's no power on the bike. Like I said earlier, they had somebody come out and they wasn't experienced in this. So I've been doing this a little bit more than 15 years, pushing 20 now. So I've seen a lot of bikes, a lot of different types of locks. So I can generate this key from scratch. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. This is actually, there's no file mark. So this is actually a key cut basically almost by code, but I had the site read everything. So I actually put the exact cuts on these keys. That's why the key works nice and smooth. So if you have any questions, just give us a call or go to the website, www.ACM Locksmith Group. Thank you. I'm going to ask you some questions, but your face won't be in the video. Now let me see, how do you think I do with making this key to this bike? Or what was your experience, basically?
Excellent. I had another locksmith over about 5 days prior. He was over here for 40 minutes, could only get the gas cap open, couldn't get the trunk or the ignition to turn. Bad communication with him. You know, he wasn't coming back. Found you, called you. Here that next day after getting pictures of the key, and 5 minutes you had everything operated. So I was very, very happy.
I appreciate it. Thank you.